these are big moves. Only risking 10 cents, $10, or $100, or $1,000 to make $4,000. Or I can't work backwards from that, but you get the point. 10 times whatever you're, or 4 times whatever you're risking, 3 times whatever you're risking. Yeah.
In 2024, threats don't come in the same flavors they did when humans were establishing these mechanisms in our brain. It used to be lions and tigers and bears, and now it's I'm going to lose some cash because money is freedom and choices and safety in the modern world. And
all right, we're scratched on the day.
I like that.
This market will make you feel like a hero and then a zero at the same second.
How does it feel right now, though? You executed that trade brilliantly.
Good. I mean, we did take 18 points heat on it, but that was fine. Still after a free fall. Thank God we didn't get into 20s or the 10s, but you guys
18 points of heat for a 50 handle trade is okay in my books.
When I was in college, the college I never went to, I was on the track and field team. And what my forte was the shot put. And I was very good at the shot put. And you're probably wondering, well, you know, how do you practice? What do you do? How do you do? But actually, the best thing to remember is, here's a shot. Where do you put it?
I was waiting.
That's where you put it.